Let us see how to download Dev C++. So for Dev C++, you can in Chrome or in any browser, you can say download Dev C++ and get many links, and one of the link is from bloodshed.net. So you can go to bloodshed.net, and from here you can download Dev C++. Dev C++, that is beta version 5.0, is available here. It is with min.gw, that is with compiler, or just without compiler, that is executable only, and source code is also available. So you can download any one of these of your choice. So if you install with min.gw, then you can directly start using Dev C++. Otherwise you have to install compiler separately, that is minimal GNU compiler for Windows. You have to download it separately. So click on this one and start downloading. It will start downloading. Yeah, once it has finished downloading, you can install Dev C++ software and you can directly use it. Yeah, after downloading, install Dev C++. Okay, it has finished installation. If I show you the folder where Dev C++ is installed, this is in C and program files, and here is Dev CPP. So you can see that it is also installed min.gw, that is GNU compiler for Windows. This is a minimal compiler for Windows. Let us start Dev C++. So English language is selected, then next, then OK. Say new project and select console application. Let the project name as my first, and it should be created in documents. Now the project is ready. This is main.cpp file inside the project. So here I'll just give a message hello world and endl. You should use namespace for cout as well as endl. Let us build the project and execute. Yeah, hello world has appeared. So that's all. This is how you can open a new project. For every program or application, you can start a new project, or else for practicing in the same project, you can go on writing new code there and you can recompile and run it.